FinOptimal now supports consolidated reporting and the ability to share spreadsheets, or as we call them, data stores, across clients. Let's talk about consolidated reporting first. So I'm in Wrangler. I'm going to click New Workflow, and you will now see, as part of the report type dropdown, consolidated P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow are supported. If you're looking for additional consolidated reports, shoot us an email. Tell us what you're looking for. We'll work on building it. So consolidated P&L. Once you select that, you'll be able to fill out the form like you fill out everything else. But team set is new, and team set is what I want to cover in a second. But this is where you'll pick the group or the team set that is going to be reported on via the consolidated report that you're creating. So let's talk about team sets quickly. On the left-hand side, you're going to see this team sets option. If you click here, this is where you'll be able to create and manage groups. So I'm going to click New Team Set. I already have one created, but I want to walk through the process. So left-hand side is the owner. By default, it's going to be the client or the entity that I'm in, VIP 101 in this case. Name it whatever you'd like. Add a description if you'd like. And on the right-hand side is where you're going to add your members. So in this case, it's going to show you all of your different clients or entities. You can simply toggle the ones that you want on. And now in this case, we would have a team set with 3 total members. You have the owner, who is inherently a member, and then Tesco and VIP 106, who are also members. So any consolidated report for the example team set is going to report on all 3 of these. But you'll also be able to share data stores between the members and the owners. You will not be able to share them between members, meaning VIP 101 can use Tesco's data stores. Tesco can use VIP 101's data stores, but Tesco and VIP 106 cannot. You would have to create a separate group if you'd want to do that. So once you create that team set, you'll notice in your data store dropdown that you can see the data stores from the other members of that team set. So you'll see this appended Tesco or this appended VIP 106. This is telling you that this data store actually belongs to a different member of the team set, but you can select it here. Those that do not have anything appended belong to the native client code or the owner client code, in this case, VIP 101. So you can use this to share data across spreadsheets if you need to do anything like intercompany accounting or things like that.